think our project could make a difference with our corporate partners because it helps them visualize data in ways I don't think they were able to visualize it before.
One of the things that we mentioned was an improvement that they could make on their user design with their website.
We found that different users interacted with different online platforms in very different ways.
And we just found that by looking and assessing the way that our study participants
might experience while researching and purchasing
different dog supplements.
Something new that the user design team hadn't really seen before.
Data-driven analysis in order to pinpoint the different interaction and touch points.
To offer some insights into how they can make the user experience more user-friendly and more interactive.
A better insight of how to increase customer satisfaction and increase the customer experience.
The problem that our corporate partner wanted to solve was getting a better idea and understanding of
how users shop dog supplements,
how a user researches,
customer experiences and processes,
the general dog owners' attitudes towards dog supplements.
I think design thinking was so important in this project with phases such as observing and understanding the point of view of the customer that we were looking at through the data.
And then create a prototype such as we did for them. It takes learning of the concepts.
It provided the building block
to finding really effective results for the end of this study
and come out with a good finished product. So we took these concepts and we first started with a survey where we were able to get lots of different respondents and the types of behaviors and answers that they were able to give us about dog supplements.
And we used a data tool called TextBuddy that one of our professors created. And we would define our data by age range 0 and then female, and we would take all of the answers that we had from that data set, put it into TextBuddy, and it would show us different tools such as positive and negative words. It would give us a negative or positive number for sentimental score, and that kind of shows the reaction between that gender and that age range and how they felt with the product.
And we use those to create the different emotions and touch points that we eventually used in the customer journey maps.
And we also wanted to understand the user through their point of view. So we took that and we wanted to make personas out of that data that we got from the survey to understand what the point of view of the customer was.
We wanted to use a tool called Figma, which is a collaborative design tool. And it was really helpful for things like this because it incorporates a lot of teamwork and group effort.
So we took that and we created personas with such things as goals. Maybe they had some pain points, such as the supplement was too expensive, they didn't want to purchase it. And maybe their goal was that they wanted their dog to have a good, healthy life.
And once we found the emotions that were targeted towards those supplements, we put them towards how the researching process is for those specific supplements and what the customer felt while having that experience.
We were able to see the different actions that the corporations could potentially take in order to improve these experiences.
I feel very grateful for having this opportunity to work with our partner.
We spent so much time actually working on and applying the concepts instead of just doing some in-class writing down and taking notes. We actually went into the field and we were able to contribute towards an actual company.
And then it also allowed me to build my personal tool set.
I feel like it has really expanded my knowledge and all of the team members that I worked along with. It gave us not only a better insight of data design and data thinking, but also widened our professional skills as well.
We were able to work with a real tangible goal in mind and a real problem that we were working towards. And that really is the difference between this course and the project we did versus a normal business course that I would normally take.
Experiential learning can be a differentiator in business education. We invited the partners, the corporate partners in the classrooms and asked them to collaborate with our students to work on a real business problem. So our students were actually able to solve business problem without leaving the classroom. So this is a completely new way of teaching or new way of providing experiential learning in the classroom.